Welcome back, Scallywags. Mike and Matt again, and it's the end of the year.
Yep, we just wanted to give you guys a shout out for the end of the season and kind of wrap it up here for the season. We're both heading for Alaska, so
that's right.
Time to go north.
Time to go north.
Too sunny and hot here, so we're moving north.
We're going north. We just had our end of the quarter celebration, the student awards, the golden dipstick.
Had a bunch of alumni in, burgers. It was an awesome celebration.
Great. The doors open, the weather's perfect. We love this time of year. Our graduates are just all out working. They're loving it.
Yep.
And even the alumni that are coming by. The Lady M, of course, didn't quite get done. You saw the last video, but it's out, turned around. We got to do exhaust, a couple little details. We'll be sea trialing this in the fall.
Yep, absolutely.
And we took on a little bit more. Probably we should have this year. My little Cushman project is half done.
I got the gardener, the Cushman. I got a few loose ends to wrap up.
Yeah.
That's no problem.
It's always good to have projects in the queue.
Well, we don't want to get bored.
That's right. So, authentic learning for our new students.
That's right.
And so we do have Misty. She's going to be around one day a week this summer. So if anybody who watches us is considering a career in the marine trades and wants training,
come grab a tour from Misty or us when we're back from Alaska. And
absolutely. Okay, Misty, barbecue, last day of this quarter.
Yay.
What are you doing this summer?
I will be teaching some yoga, doing some hikes, and I will be here one day a week. So if any of you are interested in coming down for a tour and learning more about what we have to offer here at Skagit Valley College Marine Tech Program, you can give me a call, number 808-283-2631, and I would love to come down and set up a time that works and we'll do a tour. I look forward to meeting you and seeing all the scallywags in the fall.
Excellent, thank you. And then I got to throw a teaser out there. We got another project.
Oh, there's definitely another project brewing. Just can't say no.
Can't say no.
Apparently, but no. And I told Mike, and there's video proof of it from a previous video where we're like, yeah, I think it was Art that said after the King's Pride project.
Yeah.
We're never doing anything of this scale.
No.
So this was definitely of a larger scale.
Larger scale than King's Pride. Yeah.
We
We are going to be completely refitting another Bob Perry sailboat that's going to be on a
48, 46 feet?
48
foot catch, yeah.
Epic adventure. It's got education ties, and so I'll get a tour out this summer, but if you watch next fall, we're going to have another really cool refit project.
It's too cool of a project to pass up.
Can't pass it up.
I gave the green light from my side as well, so we're looking forward to it. It's going to
need an engine, turns out.
And a generator. So there we go.
Maybe
and
some
rigging
in your class.
The whole thing.
Maybe a whole new electrical system.
I think it probably will have that as well. So it's going to be an awesome project though. So looking forward to it.
Really, thanks everyone for watching this past school year. We're having fun with the channel yet. We'll do a whole bunch more weekly updates here at the Marine Tech Center in Anacortes next year.
Yep. See you next time. Have a great summer.
What is this? Instructor Joe, what's going on?
I'm getting help dismantling labs here.
Wow, does that mean it's the end of the year?
It is the end of the year.
Now we're talking.
We made it.
Now that the Lady M is out of the way, we got our 2-week canvas course for professionals, sewing and pipe bending, the works. We built 10 new tables. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 so far, one more to build. Got a bunch of canvas coming in, so that's going to be great this summer with Mike Reese. We're dismantling plumbing stations, electrical stations, and yeah, we're going to be ready for next fall.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.